All right, what's going on? YWG here, and this is the American Persimmon. These are the ones that I picked from my mom's good friend's house. Her and I actually picked a bunch of these, and I had them in my refrigerator. If you saw the video, they were yellow. Now they turned orange because I had them in the fridge. So I've never had an American Persimmon. I've had the Fuyu, and I've had the Asian one that was very astringent. So this has been in the fridge now probably a few weeks. I'm going to get this out the way. And now the consistency is a little bit more softer. Before it had a nice crunch. It was extremely hard. Cut this part out.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me guess, you want a piece. Did you say persimmon? Yes, I said persimmon. I know I'm butchering this, but oh wow. It has seeds in it. I was unaware of that. I think the reason why I had seeds is because it was near close proximity to another tree. You know what I'm going to do with this seed? I'm going to see if I can grow a persimmon tree. That's my little experiment coming up. Alright, so this is fibrous. I can look at that. It's nice and soft. I don't smell it. Do you smell it? I'm going to give you a little piece because you're sitting there trying to look cute. You're behaving. You're not jumping all over the place. So I'm going to let you get the first piece, and I want you to let me know, do you like American Persimmon? Oh, you're slobbering. Ooh. What do you think? You like it? Okay, his number's a 10. Let me try it. Hold on. It's very watery taste. I like the Fuyu better. If I was to rate this 1 through 10, I know I gave the Fuyu about a 10 or 11. I would give this maybe about a 6. I like the Fuyu way better. But I'm going to see if I can grow something from this seed. Stay tuned for that little experiment coming up. Thanks for watching. You like that, don't you, homeboy? But you greedy, though. You are greedy. One more